Hello everybody, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist. I want to make a quick video today addressing a pretty common question I get in the email is how to realign the hands when your hour hand is caught in between the numeral. Like you can see here that this is pointing halfway where it should be 1:30 and it's actually 1 o'clock. And this one's really simple. So let's say that you have your hands out here somewhere, wherever they may be. The idea is you want to bring your minute hand, always going clockwise, bring that up to the 12 so you're at a solid point where it should be on the hour. And then with your left hand you want to block this minute hand from moving, and then because this hour hand is just a press on, you can either go counterclockwise with this one, but we'll just continue with it to make it simple and go clockwise. And since it's press on, you just carefully guide that right down to the solid numeral, and now you got your hands realigned. And that one's pretty simple, but it's a common thing. I don't really understand how they get kind of misaligned or slipped. It could be from setting the time, and other times maybe just that our hand isn't tracking or something. So anyway, that's an easy one for today, and as always, take care. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and watching the videos, and for your interest in Atmos clocks. Have a good day.